In a world that often seems divided and filled with conflict, empathy stands as a powerful force that has the potential to bridge the gaps between us. It is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, to see the world through their eyes, and to cultivate compassion in our interactions. Empathy has the unique ability to foster connection, promote understanding, and heal the wounds of division. At its core, empathy is about recognizing our shared humanity. It is the acknowledgement that despite our differences in race, religion, culture, or beliefs, we all experience joy, sorrow, fear, and love. By embracing empathy, we can transcend these differences and create a more inclusive and compassionate world. Empathy starts with active listening and genuine curiosity about others' experiences. It requires us to set aside our preconceived notions and biases, and truly strive to understand different perspectives. By actively listening, we can validate others' feelings and experiences, and create a space where they feel heard and understood. Through this process, we begin to build bridges of empathy that enable us to connect on a deeper level. Cultivating empathy also requires us to step outside of our comfort zones and seek out diverse perspectives. This can be done by engaging in meaningful conversations with people from different backgrounds, reading literature that explores different cultures and experiences, or participating in community activities that promote inclusivity. By exposing ourselves to a variety of perspectives, we expand our capacity for empathy and develop a broader understanding of the world. Furthermore, empathy is not limited to understanding the experiences of others. It also involves taking action to alleviate suffering and promote positive change. Compassion is the driving force behind empathy, motivating us to extend a helping hand, support social justice causes, and advocate for those who are marginalized or oppressed. Empathy compels us to use our privilege and influence to create a more equitable and just society. In a divided world, empathy acts as a counterforce to hatred, prejudice, and discrimination. It allows us to humanize one another, to see beyond the labels and stereotypes that often fuel division, and to find common ground based on our shared emotions and experiences. By practicing empathy, we break down the barriers that separate us and create space for healing, reconciliation, and understanding. However, cultivating empathy is not without its challenges. It requires us to confront our own biases and confront uncomfortable truths about ourselves and society. It requires vulnerability, as we open ourselves up to the pain and suffering of others. But the rewards are immeasurable. Through empathy, we create meaningful connections, foster compassion, and contribute to a more empathetic and harmonious world. In conclusion, the nature of empathy lies in its ability to cultivate compassion in a divided world. By embracing empathy, actively listening, seeking diverse perspectives, and taking compassionate action, we can bridge the gaps that divide us and create a more inclusive and understanding society. Let us commit ourselves to cultivating empathy and nurturing the seeds of compassion so that we may build a world where empathy prevails over division and love triumphs over hatred.